Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix VPN is not working. Whichever VPN you are using, you can use these methods and fix the issue. So without wasting our time, let's get started. In the first step, go to here, Task Manager option, and then click on Task Manager, or you can press Ctrl or Delete button together to open the Task Manager. Okay, once you click on Task Manager, you should see the Windows Explorer here. Okay, Windows Explorer you should see, and then click on Restart option here. After that, you need to go to the VPN services which are running. Like you can see here the VPN, this is the VPN. Click on End Task first. Okay, once you click on End Task, you should make sure that all the VPN here related the VPN, you should end the task and then try relaunch it. Okay, relaunch it after ending all the task here. And if this method is not working, in the additional you can restart your system. Simply just restart your system and then check if your issue is solved or not. If still not solved, then go to the second method. In the second method, we will update our Windows driver. So how we can do that? Press Windows plus R button together, type dev mg mt.msc to open device manager. You can simply search on a device manager. Once you click on device manager, look for network adapters. Okay, this option, and you can disable these ports: WAN, mini port, PP, TP. Okay, this as well, SSTP and IPv4, and this as well, WAN mini port, IPv6. Right click on it and click on uninstall, and uninstall all the drivers here which are related to WAN here. You should select all the options here and right click on that and uninstall it. Once you click on uninstall, click on uninstall and then restart your system. Your Windows will automatically detect all the WAN ports and reinstall those. Okay, apart from this, you can update your driver as well. Okay, for that, select on the wireless driver, then click on update and update. Make sure you are choosing the latest driver as well. One thing you should also try, make sure you are using the latest Windows. Sometimes corruption inside Windows and outdated driver and the Windows can cause this issue as well. So click on check for update. Now wait, make sure you are up to date, and if the additional updates you are getting, you can download and install those updates. Okay, so we have troubleshoot 3 methods. In the fourth method, we need to go to the services tab and restart our VPN services. For that, press Windows plus R button together, type as services.msc to open all the services. Once you are in a services tab, click on anywhere and look for open VPN. Press O on your keyboard like this. You can see here the option open VPN services. Double click on it and make sure it is running. You can see here, and startup type should be automatic. Okay, automatic, then click on apply, then click on OK. If the option is already running in your system, you can restart the service. Once you restart the service, so after making it automatic and status is running, check if your issue is solved or not. If your issue is still not resolved, you can move to the next method. For that, in many cases, IPv6 can cause this issue as well due to some misconfiguration on and due to some other reasons. So we can disable that for time being. Press Windows plus R button together, type nc, okay, ea.cpl to open the network setting. Once you are on this tab, click on the connected network, then right click on it, go to its properties. You should see the pop-up like this. Scroll it down and uncheck this option which says Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IPv6. Click on OK. Okay, and then you can refresh the network adapters here and then check if your issue is solved or not. So this is the 5 method you can try. If you are still getting the same issue with your VPN in a particular VPN provider, so you can uninstall the setup for that. Go to control panel, or you can press here fwiz.cpl to open all the softwares. And you can simply uninstall the setup and then reinstall it. Once you uninstall the setup, go to the official website of VPN and then download the setup and rerun it. Okay, so hope your issue is fixed now. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.